Hi, Stuff of Nonsense students, lesson 21. And even though it's Monday, so not the day for a special treat, I felt the need to deliver a special treat. So it's actually a Lewis Carroll treat, and it's from the end of the second book. So if you, and which you didn't have to read. So if you have your annotated Alice handy, you might go, I don't have your page numbers because I've got my old worn out copy, but at the very end of the book, Through the Looking Glass, which is a sequel to Alice, which he published several years later, there's a beautiful poem. I'm going to read you the poem, and I'm going to teach you something cool about it. But it's best if you're looking at the poem, because there's something visual that you have to see it. Okay, so I'm reading it to you. So it's the closing poem to the second Alice book. A boat beneath a sunny sky, lingering onward, dreamily. Okay, I have to start over. I have to warn you that because it should be dreamily to our ears, but we pronounce it dreamily to get the rhyme. I'm starting over. A boat beneath a sunny sky, lingering onward dreamily in an evening of July. Children three that nestle near, eager eye and willing ear, pleased a simple tale to hear. Long has paled that sunny sky, echoes fade and memories die. Autumn frosts have slain July. Still she haunts me, phantom wise, Alice moving under skies never seen by waking eyes. Children yet the tale to hear, eager eye and willing ear, lovingly shall nestle near. In a wonderland they lie, dreaming as the days go by, dreaming as the summers die. Ever drifting down the stream, lingering in the golden gleam. Life, what is it but a dream? It's pretty, eh? So a couple of things. One is, I didn't get to the special surprise yet. Notice the themes, eh? The dream is back. Lots of references to the dream. Many references to death. The golden gleam. So we've returned to that. And he's to that opening poem, The Golden Afternoon. I was also going to show you, because it's weather's warming up, Alice in Wonderland t-shirt. I'm starting my t-shirt collection for you guys. Okay, so now the most wonderful treat is look at the poem, okay? I'm not going to even tell you the treat. You're going to discover this treat on your own. So you're looking at the closing poem to the second book. And if for some reason you don't have your book with you, look up closing poem, Through the Looking Glass, and the opening line is a boat beneath a sunny sky. So of course he's remembering, many years later, he's remembering that rowboat ride which gave rise or birth to the first Alice book, because that's when he told the story of Alice to Alice and her sisters. Now, if you've got the poem in front of you, I want you, instead of reading left to right, which is how we usually read from the top to the bottom, I want you to read only the first letter of every line, and I want you to read it downwards. Okay, that's all I'm going to tell you. So all you're going to do is read it downwards, and you're going to, it's like a little game for us, right? So I thought that was a good start to your week. It's a little under 4 minutes. Maybe I should read you one more cautionary tale. Remember those? Okay, second, here I am. Cautionary tales. Which one will you get today? Yeah, I got time. It's 4 minutes. Oh, the dreadful story of Harriet and the Matches. I don't know. I just was a day for treats. I hope you're doing okay. All right. I guess Thursday I'll have to be serious. It almost makes me cry to tell what foolish Harriet befell. Mama and nurse went out one day and left her all alone at play. Now on the table, close at hand, a box of matches chanced to stand, and kind mamma and nurse had told her that if she touched them, they would scold her. But Harriet said, oh, what a pity, for when they burn it is so pretty. They crackle so and spit and flame. Mamma too often does the same. The pussy cats heard this, and they began to hiss and stretch their stretch their claws and raise their paws. Meow, they said, meow, meow. You'll burn to death if you do so. But Harriet would not take advice. She lit a match, it was so nice. It crackled so, it burned so clear, exactly like the picture here, and there's the picture. She jumped for joy and ran about, and was too pleased to put it out. The pussy cats saw this and said, "Oh, naughty, naughty miss," and stretched their claws and raised their paws. "'Tis very, very wrong, you know, meow, 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 meow. You will be burnt if you do so." And see, this is very scary. Oh, what a dreadful thing. The fire has caught her apron string. Do you see the picture? It's really quite gruesome. Her apron burns, her arms, her hair. She burns all over, everywhere. Then how the pussy cats did mew. What else, poor pussies, could they do? They screamed for help. 'Twas all in vain. So then they said, "We'll scream again. Make haste, meow, meow. She'll burn to death. We told her so." So she was burnt with all her clothes, and arms and hands and eyes and nose, till she had nothing left to lose except her little scarlet shoes, and nothing else but these were found among her ashes on the ground. And when the good cats sat beside the smoking ashes, how they cried, "Meow, mew, meow, mew, what will Mamma and Nursey do?" Their tears ran down their cheeks so fast, they made a little pond at last. All right, that was 6 minutes, 29 seconds. I took up a little too much time. I think they told us like your maximum attention span is, well, maybe 6 minutes. Okay, but anyway, hopefully you had fun. All right, I wish you a good start to the week. I can't believe I'm not going to see my students in person. It doesn't look like it anyhow. Anyway, hopefully in the fall, and who even knows, what a world. Anyway, thank you for being wonderful, and do your work, and think about your creative projects, and answer your study questions, and miss you. I tell you that all the time. You know it already. Bye.